In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a global module in Hubspot for just one template without affecting the others. First, log into your Hubspot account and go to Marketing. Then open Content and head to Design Tools. You can also use the search bar to quickly find templates or design tools. Once you're in Design Tools, open the template you want to edit or create a new one from scratch or from the library. Inside the template editor, find the global module you want to change. Click on the global module, then choose the option to detach from global or make local. This will turn it into a local module for this template only. Now you can edit the content, text, or layout of that module without affecting the global version used on other templates. When you're done, choose the folder and sharing options if needed, then save your changes. That's it for today. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more HubSpot tips. I'll see you in the next one.